What's up, guys? Christian Krasuski with CK Strength. We're talking about machine identification. Let's get started. Common machine is the chest press machine. This movement will simulate a bench press or other chest press. You're gonna simply push the weight forward so you can load up your arms, keep your chest out in front of you, and push. One small note with any chest press, you want your hands and elbows to be intersecting your body at about a perpendicular angle here. So you want your hands to travel past your chest. And this is another version of the chest press machine. As you can see, this one is plate loaded. Again, make sure you're intersecting your body at about your chest. And this is the incline chest press. Again, much the same advice as the other chest press. And this is the overhead press machine. Make sure your elbows are forward underneath the handles. You want to be able to get a full range of motion, so make sure you set the machine up so you can actually hold the weight at the bottom. Here we have the cable lat pull down, a selectorized machine. With this machine, make sure your legs are locked firmly into position to hold your body steady as you pull down and back. And this is the plate loaded version of the lat pull down. As you can see here, it has a neutral or an underhand grip. In either scenario, make sure you set the seat up low enough that you can get a reach up overhead before you pull down and back. This is the cable row station. You'll simply select your weight with the selectorized stack in the front. If you see this handle on it, get rid of it. It's much better to take a more moderate grip with one of these bars here. You'll simply lean your torso backward, keeping your chest up and your body parallel with the machine in front of you. You're gonna reach all the way forward, pull all the way backward. Be sure to keep your legs stationary so you don't cheat and assist your back. Is the assisted pull-up. It's a selectorized machine. The more weight you put on the machine, the more assistance you will have performing the movement. So with this one, you wanna make sure that you step down firmly on the weight first, and then take a good grip on the pull-up and lower yourself into position. Pull all the way up, all the way down, every rep. This machine can also be used as an assisted dip. In this case, you'll take your normal dip grip on either side of these parallel bars, press down firmly on the weight, and you can use this machine to execute assisted dips. This is the machine dip, also a selectorized machine. When you're doing a machine dip, be sure to buckle up for safety and to keep your legs locked into the machine. Simply unrack the weight by leaning forward. You're gonna punch straight down from your armpits, locking out your triceps. Keep your shoulder blades back, keep your chest out the whole time. Be sure to go through a full range of motion. Next up, we got the chest supported T-bar row. Woo! Mess that up. All right, so with the chest supported T-bar row, you're gonna place your chest firmly on the supportive pad here. Take your normal row grip. You can grab these wider positions. I like to take a more moderate grip, especially for beginners. Unrack the weight. The cool thing about the chest supported row is you can allow yourself to reach all the way down since that pad is keeping your back nice and straight. Allow yourself to reach all the way down and forward. Go through a full range of motion, pulling all the way up and back. Keep your knees slightly bent to keep your body stable the entire time. And if you see a row machine that looks something like this, this is the chest supported mid row. This one is plate loaded. Make sure you keep your torso in contact with the chest pad at all times. You'll simply shrug your shoulders down and pull your elbows down and back to perform this movement. Make sure to lock your legs into the machine. This is the preacher curl machine. So you want to make sure that you start from the top, lower all the way down. Be sure to only go through as big a range of motion as you can without pain. This movement goes through a fixed range of motion, so it allows you to just focus on your biceps and getting a nice pump. Make sure your armpit is set up low enough so it's flush with the machine. Cool. And this is your standard cable machine. You can use this for bicep curls. On bicep movements, you'll put it all the way down, stand just close enough so you can hold the weight in front of you. tricep movements. You'll take the weight and put it all the way up at the top so you can bend down and get a good tricep extension. If you're doing face pulls, you might put it anywhere sternum height or higher so you can go ahead and do a good face pull with that cable attachment. If you found this video useful, be sure to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe, click the bell for notifications. And remember, if you want to make progress, then you've got to make progress. CK Strength, I'll see you guys later.